Looking for the perfect gift for a pickleball lover? From paddles and apparel to fun accessories, these top pickleball gifts are sure to delight any player. Starting at number 1. Pickleball Paddles. The DGYGQ carbon fiber pickleball paddle is a high-performance paddle designed for players of all skill levels, offering an excellent balance of power, control, and comfort. Measuring 16.92 inches by 7.36 inches with a lightweight 7.7-8.2-ounce build, it features a 13 mm polypropylene honeycomb core and a carbon fiber surface, providing enhanced spin, shock absorption, and quick responsiveness. The extended handle is ideal for two-handed backhand players, offering better leverage and balance for stronger swings. Its premium carbon fiber construction ensures durability and stability during intense gameplay, while the lightweight design allows effortless handling and explosive shots. While it is more affordable than top-tier paddles, it delivers impressive performance for recreational and league players, though advanced players seeking tournament-grade, USAP-approved gear may prefer higher-end options. Overall, the DGYGQ paddle is a solid choice for anyone looking to improve their game with a reliable, responsive, and versatile carbon fiber paddle. Number 2. CoolNES Silicone Funny Ball. The CoolNES Silicone Funny Ball Holder Pouch Sack is a lightweight and humorous sports accessory made from 100% natural silicone designed to hold and protect up to 2 balls for games like golf, pickleball, tennis, or baseball. It clips or hangs easily from sports bags or golf clubs, keeping your balls secure and within reach so you don't leave them behind during play. The soft, flexible material and patented attachment make it simple to use and durable for repeated use, while the cheeky design adds a fun gag gift element for athletes of all types. It's a playful yet practical way to store your balls during games and practice sessions. Number 3. Mayboom Pickleball Paddles. The Mayboom Pickleball Paddles set is a USAP-approved pickleball equipment bundle that's designed especially for beginners and casual players but can be enjoyed by enthusiasts of all ages and skill levels. The set features lightweight fiberglass paddles with a honeycomb core that provide a balanced combination of control and power, helping players hit more consistent shots while minimizing vibration and hand fatigue during play. The wide paddle face offers larger sweet spots, and the ergonomic, sweat-wicking grip with ventilation holes ensures comfort and better handling during extended rallies. Each set typically comes with either 2 or 4 paddles, for pickleballs, and a durable carry bag, giving you everything needed for a game right out of the box. The overlapping edge guard helps protect the paddle from damage and delamination, and Mayboom backs the product with quality checks and responsive after-sales support. While ideal for family games, beginners, and recreational play, advanced players seeking specific performance features, like enhanced spin control, may find it a basic but solid choice for casual use. Number 4. Fufandi Pickleball Gifts. The Fufandi Pickleball Dink Responsibly 20-ounce tumbler is a fun and practical stainless steel travel cup designed as a humorous gift for pickleball lovers, whether for Christmas, birthdays, or just to show appreciation for a player or coach. Crafted from high-quality 18-8 food-grade stainless steel with double-wall vacuum insulation, this tumbler keeps cold drinks chilled and hot drinks warm for hours, while the BPA-free clear lid helps prevent spills. The playful Pickleball Dink Responsibly design reflects a light-hearted pickleball spirit and makes it an ideal gift for men, women, friends, coworkers, or anyone passionate about the sport. Its durable, rust-resistant construction and versatile use for everything from coffee to cold beverages make it both a stylish and functional accessory for court days and everyday use. Number 5. Golabs PB1 Pickleball Paddles. The Golabs PB1 Pickleball Paddles set of 2 is a USAP-approved pickleball set that's well-suited for players of all levels, from beginners to casual competitors. Each paddle weighs about 8 ounces, making them lightweight and easy to maneuver on the court, which helps reduce arm fatigue and enables quicker reactions during play. They're constructed with a durable fiberglass surface and a 16 mm PP, power polymer, honeycomb core that offers a balanced blend of power and control for consistent shots, while the anti-slip breathable grip with vibration damping features enhances comfort and reduces hand fatigue during longer matches. The set typically includes 2 paddles, for pickleballs, for indoor and outdoor use, and a convenient carry bag, letting you start playing right away without additional gear. The bright multicolor designs also help with ball visibility and team coordination on the court. Review analyses show generally positive feedback about their value, comfort, and ease of use, especially for beginners and family play, though they're seen as a budget-friendly option rather than a high-end performance paddle.